Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So whenever you try to install or download Amazon App Store on Microsoft Store, and if the when you try to download it or install it, if it is stuck on this screen, that is on setup screen, if this is stuck on this screen, then please follow the steps shown in this video. To fix it, type in turn Windows feature on or off in Windows search box, and then click on turn Windows feature on or off. Now on this screen, scroll down, and over here you can see virtual machine platform. Put a check on virtual machine platform. Put a check over here and then click on OK. And let the process complete. Now once done, you will see restart now option. So make sure that you restart your computer, and so click on restart now, and once the restart is done, after the restart you can try to install Amazon App Store, and it should not be stuck on this screen. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.